Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Python in your PC, in macOS. So I'm going to show you here all the steps. Here you can see kindly I'm inside Python website. So what I have to say here, Python, I have to go to the browser and then I have to go for python.org, okay. Then you can see kindly I'm inside Python official site. Now if I hover on the downloads, I will get here Python version. You can see the latest version 3.14.6. I already have this, you just have to download this. Now if I go for the finder and if I go for the download, you can see Python I have here. Now I will actually double click on this file python.pkg, okay, and here you can see continue. I will click here continue, then continue. Now I will say agree and I will say install. I just have to give here password, my Mac login password. This is not the Apple account password, just the login password. Okay, so we have successfully installed it, right? So now I will go for the terminal and I will say here restart it. So go for the terminal here and say here Python, okay, Python, and we have installed Python 3, right? 3, then hyphen version. If I say here version, I will get here Python current version installed in my PC, okay, in my macOS. That's it, guys. I hope you understand. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.